In 3 minutes, I'll give you 3 truths why investing in apartments works. Number 1, there is a strong demand for rental housing in America. Let's face it, the middle class is simply disappearing slowly, pushing some people into that upper higher class, but many people into the lower and renting class of America. America is simply becoming a nation of renters. Beyond that, the price gap of what it costs to own a property versus what it costs to rent a property is getting larger. It's actually at the highest it's been in a long time right now. Our population is growing, demand for rental units is growing, and also there's a whole contingent of people in America that are choosing to rent, that like the flexibility to be able to move, to change jobs, to move and live with different people, and renting gives them that opportunity. So for us as owners, owning apartments gives us a great way to be involved in every one of those people's lives and collect rent from all of them along the way. Here's the second reason why investing in apartments works: cash flow. Cash flow is really after you have your income and you pay your expenses, the money that's left over is cash flow that can get sent out to investors who co-own these properties. Now, cash flow is money you can take and go and buy lunch with. You can go and buy a car with. You can go and spend on a vacation. It's your money. And guess what? The next quarter, the next month, whenever we send out profits, it's going to come to you again. With multiple units across these properties, some of these have hundreds of units. Look, people ask me, what happens if a unit's vacant or the renter doesn't pay rent? I simply say, look, when we buy these properties at the beginning of the business plan, we factor in a certain number of units not paying rent and being vacant every single month. So when someone doesn't pay rent or that unit is empty right now, we already factored that in. It's part of our business plan. 9 times out of 10, we're still going to be cash flow positive because that's how we set it up at the beginning. And the third reason you want to invest in apartments is to diversify your portfolio. I think it's great to have your money invested in multiple different ways. I think that apartments is a great way. I'm sure you're probably sick of seeing your stock portfolio go up and down and up and down. Maybe you're worried that you invested your money at the wrong time or you pulled it out at the wrong time. Well, when you invest your money in apartments, you get to have something stable and strong that you can see rents coming in every month. You can see your expenses going out every month. You can see your cash flow that comes in. You can see your equity growth as that property appreciates in value. So you don't have to worry that all your money is put into a certain amount of stocks or a certain portfolio at a certain trading account. You can know that you have 200 tenants that are paying rent that month to help diversify your income. Now, before you go out and do any real estate investing, whether it's single family or multifamily, make sure that you have careful research, analysis, and management of your properties. One of the best ways to avoid mistakes is to partner up with an experienced operator. If you want to learn more, head over to amitycashflow.com. My name's Chris Collins. We partner with investors every day to invest in apartments like these across the country to get your money working for you and to get you into a diversified portfolio of apartments. We'll talk to you more tomorrow about investing in apartments.